Welcome back to another vlog. Today is a new day, obviously. Today is what? Wednesday? Yeah, today is Wednesday. My energy is on like another level. I just finished filming a skincare video for my Instagram. I hope I haven't pressed anything on this camera. I just finished filming a skincare video for my Instagram and I'm super hyped. But also I wanted to start off a new vlog because it's a new day. So this vlog we're going to be running errands. I don't know. I mean, I don't want to say that yet because I don't know how my day will go. But I'm just going to be bringing you guys along with me in my day. So this is more like a day in my life. Also more like running errands. So run errands with me, spend a day with me. I mean, just basically live life with me today, you know. So I hope you do stay through to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that because it will mean the world to me. I always say this, but you probably don't understand. Like, you gotta subscribe. Like, please just subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Oh, we need to make a quick run to Spectrum Mobile to make a payment. So I guess that's our first errand. Babe, what do you do?
Good. It's cold, that's it.
Yeah, it's so cold. Oh my god. The crazy part is we can't get into the car because it's so cold.
Annual fee that's taken out on January 1st, and both memberships are no commitment. The black card, you get unlimited access to this facility, the free fitness training.
It's a good deal, right? Oh my god.
Yeah, as you can see, yeah. Where the knees on the where the name on my knees on.
Oh my
but
god.
yeah, right now we're at Webster, Massachusetts. It's a USA. We'll see a female.
See? We'll see a female. Oh my god. It's so cold. Our next stop is the, oh my god, my fingers are freezing. What the hell? I'm gonna go into the shop because oh, it did snow today. Yo, I'm sorry, but our next stop is Goodwill, the Salvation Army family store. I'm entering. I'll see you guys later. Oh my god. I'll hold this out for you. Thank you. You're welcome. Good, how are you? Oh, it's so cold. Okay. My favorite thrift store. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. See? This is me. This is what I'm wearing. But yeah, me and my family, we usually pass through to thrift to get like thrifting items. It's so cold. I could use a jacket. Oh, but this bag, no. doing a YouTube vlog.
Oh, that's awesome.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you. I will see you next time. Okay. I am back home now, and real quick I wanted to show you guys what we got. Hubby's watching TV, but please let me quickly show you guys so that we can move. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this. I don't know what to call this. Okay, this is like a shelf situation, in all honesty, and I really like it because I've been looking for something to zhuzh up my corner right there. I really needed to change that thing, that blue thing. I needed to change it. So this is a perfect fit for that corner. And this is also not so big, so that way it doesn't take up so much space. So I'm excited for it. And next thing I want to show you guys is this boots. I have been looking to get in a boot for the longest time. So this is just thrifting, and I'm excited about it because it's quality leather. See, this is like proper quality leather. My hands are so ashy, and I can't. Let me try it on and show you guys how it comes out. So this is what it looks like, and I am in love. Oh my god, it fits perfectly, guys. I'm actually very in love with it. It's like perfect, very perfect for the weather. Boot season. No. The next thing that I got is this bedroom shoes, living room shoes or bedroom shoes, and they're very comfy. I've always wanted something like this, so I'm glad that I actually have this now. And then the last thing is this scarf, winter scarf or neck scarf. Here, can you guys see? Yeah, and I like it because it's olive, obviously my favorite color, olive and peach. Is it peach or pastel? Pastel, not peach, please. So now I'm gonna clean up my little space. Ouch, ouch. My little space right here, just so I can put this thing there. So I'll set you guys up so that you see. First off, let's have lunch. I'm hungry. So me and hubby, we're going to have this. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty simple, you know, because I'm not like actually using a proper backdrop. I'm just using like my room. So that's my chair. That's where I'm gonna be sitting. My light is going to be like right here. It's like a really cute area, and I like what I've done with it. And she is serving her purpose, Lord. I like the plants. That's a fake plant, by the way. I got it from AliExpress. I'm going to put a link in the description box for majority of the things that I have. That is from Dollar Store. That is from Dollar Store. I mean Dollar General, Dollar Tree, whichever dollar store you know. You should get any of these. I get most of my candles from there. And oh, I'm not sure if my camera is bright enough. I'm sorry. But that's another candle. I have some sticky notes right there. I have a candle, like a lantern situation. But I don't know, it's like a bedside lamp, but it's a candle. It's really cute when I turn it on. And then I put some hair product here, and then I put my straightener there, and then some candle, and then some nail polish remover. And then I have my mini desk situation. I really love my desk, so I'm giving you guys like a filming area tour, which isn't something that I planned to do. So this is like my filming table. Okay, wait, hold on. So this is my filming desk. It's just like a plain white desk. I did get this from the Salvation Army store as well. I really like it. I like it for the fact that it's white and it just like serves the purpose. And then it has this drawer situation, or this chamber situation, so I put stuff here. I just put stuff there. And then on here I have my makeup products and some skincare products and my desk lamp, or my tabletop lamp. Let me put this on so that, yes, my tabletop lamp and my mirror, my file, and then just, yeah. So, oh, and yeah, my daughter's photo right there. And so yeah, I finished cleaning it up. My light is gonna, I am expecting my ring light to be in today, so hopefully we get back to full-time YouTube. I'm excited. Like, when my lights get here, I'll let you guys see. We'll set it up together, and I'm sure that will be the end of today's vlog. Ooh, it has been eventful. I hope you're enjoying this video, by the way. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't already done that. Babe, are you sleeping? She is here. Oh my god, so good. Look who is here, guys. Let's quickly unbox this. Like, I don't even have patience. Let me turn it on so that you guys can see. Ooh, do you see the difference? Oh my god, this is impossible. See, my lightning is so trash. Oh, I am shook. I am shook. But that's the brand. It's from, oh, my hands are so ashy. Oh, I'm so ashamed. But it's from IVC. I got it from Amazon. It was like a really good price, so I figured I'd get it. But I'll put everything in the description box below. But I wanted to show you guys how I look in front of this lightning, because sis, like, I just can't stop smiling. Like, you have no idea. Oh my god, this lightning is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. See what it does to my skin. I'm pretty sure I can even record at night. Oh, we're about to give you guys some banging videos. I am shook. Like, I am so impressed. I had there's this other ring light called Neewer. I'll put the name Neewer. And that was the first ever one that I used. And that was a 14-inch. And this is 18. I don't know if it's because it's 18, that is why it makes so much difference. I feel like, oh, is it because I haven't filmed in a long time? I don't know. But there's just something about this lightning. The lightning is just so good. I'm impressed. I've been waiting for you all day, and she came to make my day. Oh my god. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a few more things, like last two things, and oh, I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna do 2 more things and then I will close off this vlog because I feel like today has been one of the best days. Tomorrow we're filming back to back. Oh my god, I think, oh, just when I was about to say they ran out of my favorite juice, they didn't. This is my favorite apple juice, guys. Favorite. Okay, we are done. I'm gonna run out of the store because this place, when you come in, you don't run away, your money will finish. I'm back home, guys. I'm back home now, and yeah, I guess that's it. But I actually did love this vlog and every footage that I got in this vlog because it was just genuinely me and the little things that make me happy and the little things that I do on a daily, and it's just basically me, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I did, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.